Hey people, so I had watched this movie called Radhe Shyam starring Prabhas and a host of others, and the film was like basically the storyline is all about this palm reader who who's basically very like this playboy and kind of thing. And then he tries to he, according to him, there's no love line on his hand, and hence he will never be married or stuff. But I watched the film more because the premise of the story seemed interesting, but once you actually get down to putting yourself through that 3 hours of torture, it is like at another level. So really, Radhe Sham it's called, and it's like Toba Toba, whatever. So so yeah, this is a short review, but the music is good, but you don't even know music, and the locals, like they've shot it in Europe, so it's like beyond beautiful. But when the storyline itself is so weak, what do you say? Anyway, so Pooja Hegde is the actress with him, and Hegde really, like, she does a good job, but overall this movie is a headachy film. So A for avoid. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.